Is it beneficial to mix honey and milk? Honey and milk is a classic combination often featured in drinks and desserts alike. In addition to being incredibly calming and comforting, milk and honey can bring a rich flavor to your favorite recipes. Plus, these two ingredients have been researched for their medicinal properties and are often used as a natural remedy to treat a variety of health conditions. This video reviews the benefits and drawbacks of honey and milk. Benefits. Pairing milk with honey may be associated with several potential health benefits. May improve sleep quality. Many people drink a glass of warm milk with honey just before bed to help promote better sleep quality, and this remedy is backed by science. In fact, a study including 68 people who were hospitalized for heart disease found that drinking a mixture of milk and honey twice daily for 3 days improved overall sleep quality. Plus, several studies have noted that both milk and honey could enhance sleep when used individually. For example, one study showed that consuming 10 grams, or about 1/2 tablespoon, of honey 30 minutes before bedtime improved sleep quality and reduced nighttime coughing in 300 children with respiratory infections. Similarly, a study in 421 older adults indicated that those who regularly consumed milk or milk products were less likely to have difficulty falling asleep. Supports bone strength. Milk is a great source of calcium, an important nutrient that plays a key role in bone health. Some research suggests that drinking milk could improve bone mineral density and may be linked to a lower risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Combining milk with honey could boost the former's bone-building benefits even more. In fact, one review reported that honey could protect bone health due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Another review of 9 studies showed that supplementing with honey could reduce some of the negative effects associated with exercise while increasing bone formation. Could promote heart health. Milk and honey have each been associated with several potential benefits when it comes to heart health. In particular, milk has been shown to increase levels of HDL, good cholesterol, which can help clear plaque from your arteries to protect against heart disease. However, this was only found to be true for whole milk, not skim milk. It's also rich in potassium, an essential nutrient that can help reduce blood pressure levels. Meanwhile, studies show that honey can reduce levels of triglycerides, total cholesterol, and LDL, bad cholesterol, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. It may even decrease several markers of inflammation, which could also contribute to heart disease. Drawbacks. Although milk and honey may offer several health benefits, there are a few drawbacks to consider. For starters, cow's milk may not be suitable if you're lactose intolerant or following a dairy-free diet, or if you have a milk allergy. Dairy consumption could also be tied to a higher risk of certain skin conditions, including acne, rosacea, and eczema. It's also important to keep in mind that although honey has health properties, it's high in sugar and calories. Consuming high amounts of added sugar could contribute to weight gain, heart disease, diabetes, and liver problems. Honey is also unsuitable for children younger than 12 months old, as it contains bacteria that could contribute to infant botulism, a serious and potentially life-threatening condition. Additionally, heating honey to high temperatures can increase the formation of hydroxymethylfurfuryl (HMF), a compound that can exert both positive and negative effects on health when consumed in large amounts. Therefore, it's best to moderate your intake and avoid heating it to high temperatures to maximize its potential health benefits. The bottom line. Milk and honey are two powerful ingredients that offer several promising health benefits. In particular, they may improve sleep quality, enhance bone strength, and promote heart health. However, these foods may also have some adverse effects and not be suitable for everyone. Therefore, it's best to moderate your intake and enjoy this combo as part of a balanced diet.